On NBC 26, we have a winter storm warning that has been issued for all of northeast Wisconsin. Once again, no warnings or advisories for Menominee County, Michigan, but the weather is going to be the exact same on the east side of the Menominee River as it will be on the west side. So we're going to be looking at heavy snow developing across the area late tomorrow afternoon, especially tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and then continuing at times into Saturday as the winds really crank up on the backside of the storm. Saturday morning into Saturday evening, we're going to be looking at considerable blowing and drifting snow, and that's when we will be seeing some difficult traveling across most of northeast Wisconsin. So here's a look at the timeline. Tomorrow, patchy light snow or flurries throughout the morning and early afternoon, then steadier snow starts to develop and push in from the south and west. By sunset, most areas will have picked up an inch or two. The heaviest snow falls tomorrow night into Saturday morning, a widespread 5 to 6 inches of snow, and then we'll see periods of snow, heavy at times as we head through Saturday with another 2 to 4 inches. So when all is said and done, most areas will end up with a solid 8 to 12 inches of snow. Once again, some locally higher amounts are possible where we see some lake-enhanced snow coming in off of Lake Michigan. The totals will be lower across the far north where 4 to 8 inches of snow is expected. Now today was actually the calm before the storm, or you could say the cold before the storm. Take a look at these wind chills across the area this morning, 20s and 30s below zero. So just a frigid Thursday morning across all of Wisconsin up into the UP, and we're continuing with that theme this evening. Temperatures right now are mainly in the single digits. It is currently 1 degree above in Oshkosh. In Green Bay, the temperature is 6 degrees. The winds have died down considerably from what we had this morning, but it's still cold enough to produce a wind chill factor of 4 degrees below zero. In Appleton, we have clear skies, and temperatures once again are in the single digits. So 100% possible sunshine across the area today. Really nothing going on thanks to a large area of high pressure that is now dropping off to the south and east. But on the other side of that high pressure system, there is a lot going on as the first major storm of the season starts to take shape across the western half of the country. You can see just a ton of rain and mountain snow here across California, Nevada, and the Four Corners region. That storm will be moving through the southern Rockies tonight, and then by tomorrow morning, it's going to reorganize here across southeastern Colorado. Yes, this is a Colorado low. This is the type of storm that typically brings us our biggest snowfall events of the winter here in northeast Wisconsin. It's going to be tracking north and east across Illinois, Indiana, into lower Michigan as we head through tomorrow and Saturday. And on the northwestern side of it, we will be looking at some heavy snow across the Badger State. Now, as far as timing and when the snow will arrive, here's a look at SkyCast showing increasing clouds later on tonight. Tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, some patchy light snow or flurries across the area. That will continue until about noon, and then we'll see that steadier snow develop as we move through the afternoon. It'll become heavy at times by tomorrow night. This storm is actually coming in two pieces. The first one tomorrow evening into Saturday morning. The second one Saturday late morning and afternoon, and that's when we will see additional totals. As far as the computer forecast models are concerned, there is consensus among the models that we're going to see a lot of snow, and that's why I'm thinking a solid 8 to 12 inches. Once again, by 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, an inch or two across the area. By 7:30 Saturday morning, most areas will be around 6, 7, 8 inches, and then we'll see additional snow as we head through Saturday afternoon and early evening. Finally, the entire storm tapers off by Saturday night. And then frigid air moves in. So tonight, look for increasing clouds, temperatures holding steady or actually climbing once the clouds develop. Tomorrow morning, flurries or patchy light snow. Then the snow develops during the afternoon. High temperatures will be in the upper teens to lower 20s. Periods of snow on Saturday. Frigid conditions on Sunday. Morning highs in the single digits and then falling. Mid-teens on Monday. And then we'll see moderating temperatures as we head into next week. It's going to feel like a heat wave with high temperatures getting up into the upper 20s and lower 30s. And real quickly, I do want to let you know that we've got a new app. It's called Snowcast. You can go to your favorite app store and find out exactly how much snow you're going to get at your house.
I will be using it while I'm sitting on the couch under a blanket, not
drinking
going
cocoa,
outside.
watching it rage outside.
Right. Oh, stay indoors as much as you can.
Yes, especially tomorrow night through Saturday.
Yeah, it's going to be rough. Thanks, Cameron. Well, lighting the holiday spirit, the community of Berlin is